Hello everyone, this is my latest creation in Drawbreak, the T72M1. I actually made this a month ago, however I didn't post it because I feel very I feel lazy actually posting this. I actually had to redesign this multiple times in order to improve the tank, the visual look of the tank. I had to redesign the tracks and the machine gun, which is the NSBT. The only thing I haven't redesigned yet is the sights and the uh, the coaxial machine gun because I haven't add a coaxial machine gun in this tank yet. Maybe I should try next time adding the coaxial machine gun. Since the my issues with the game is that if you put a one machine gun, uh, you will literally fire all the machine gun since like there's only like one option. So it just feels so awkward. So I didn't add it. I tried using the laser blaster. However, it's just too big. So I didn't add it. It takes too much space. I had to redesign actually the side skirts too. The thing is actually clipped. I actually had to use clipping methods in order to achieve this. The NSVT is also used the clipping method. This also has night vision. So yeah. The wheels are also lifted. That's because if I don't lift them, it's actually going to the tank's going to have a hard time turning. That's why I added it. There's also some extra small wheels. That's so when I, that's so when it hits something like a part or a debris, the thing won't break. The tracks won't break because the last build that I did it, like the T80 that I made, I had to I actually had to make another T80 because it's too big. The T80 that I made is too big, and the tracks is also kind of broken since if it hits something, sometimes my creation uh will bug and literally the game will crash. I'm also trying to make the T90 T9 the T90 the T90A variant since the T90 I think the T90 uses the cast turret while the T90A uses the welded turret because the T90 is the improved variant. Also, and if I actually did manage to make T90A, I'm actually going to turn that T90A to T90M since I've been wanting to make the T90 and the T90A and the T90M for a long time. Just didn't because I feel I feel very lazy. Yeah, which I am kind of lazy, and also because I have to do something. I've actually been busy. Let's say I didn't post for a while. So overall, the creation is actually pretty good. The only thing is I didn't put that much detail due to I don't want the game to crash. Sometimes when you put too much detail in the game, in the creation, it kind of lags. This isn't actually the laggiest creation. This isn't the laggiest creation I made. One of the laggiest creation I probably made might be the aircraft carrier Variag I made. I'll make another video about that one if I had time. So well, the tank is actually pretty good, and maneuverability is also good. Better than the real life T72 because this thing can actually reverse unlike the T72 in real life. Well, it can, but it's so slow. These things do move too. And yeah, that's it.